Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. 12 years ago, I published a video for baked whitefish and potatoes. This modified recipe reduces prep time from 15 minutes to less than 10 minutes. A 14-ounce serving has 400 to 600 calories, 35 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fiber. Unlike frozen prepared meals, it has no additives or preservatives. You also get more protein, less calories, and less sodium. Prep time is about 10 minutes. Bake time 50 to 60 minutes. You get 3 to 5 servings, and the skill level is easy. For this recipe, you'll need about 1 pound of frozen fish fillets, about 3/4 to 1 inch thick. About 1 pound of red or yellow potatoes, quarter or cut in half depending on their size. 8 ounces of baby carrots, 1 small tomato diced, 2 tablespoons of dried diced onion or 1 small onion diced, about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or other vegetable oil, salt. I'm using kosher salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and 1/2 cup of water, wine, or broth. Some optional ingredients include thyme, rosemary, paprika, chives, capers, and red pepper flakes. A covered baking dish works best, but you can also use a baking dish covered with aluminum foil. Place a rack in the lower third of your oven and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by drizzling the bottom of your baking dish with oil. Arrange the potatoes in the bottom of the dish and season to taste with salt and pepper. For added flavor, I've added some dried chives. Add the carrots and season to taste with salt. Add the water, wine, or broth. Next, add the dried or diced onion. Arrange the fish fillets in the pan and season to taste with salt and pepper. For added flavor, I'm seasoning the fish with sweet paprika. Add the diced tomato over the fish and, if desired, drizzle with olive oil. Baked covered 50 to 60 minutes or until potatoes are tender. A 14-ounce serving has about 400 to 500 calories. Oily fish like salmon has more calories and cholesterol. It also has slightly less protein than whitefish. The 8 grams of sugar is natural sugar from the carrots, potatoes, and tomato. This whitefish meal with 6 ounces of broccoli has 500 calories, about 500 milligrams of sodium, 55 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of fiber, 10 grams of sugar, and 40 grams of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.